All right, stitch check. Welcome to Apple Invites. So this is a new app Apple just released today. What day is it? Tuesday, February 4th. And you can plan events and stuff using Apple Invites. Let's explore. Invitations. Anyone can receive invitations. Sending is included with iCloud Plus, which tells me that there's a cost if you don't have iCloud Plus. Let's find out. Event. Okay. Add a background. Some auto-generated stuff. All right. The graphic, colors, templated. Just select one. Travel time. Preview. This was gonna look like going, not going, maybe. Cool. This is new in the App Store, by the way. It apparently integrates with shared photo albums, so anyone can add media, and a shared playlist, so anyone can add music, I guess, or access that. So let's find out date and time. Let's just do all day on the 8th, I guess. Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Location. Let's do where I'm at, which is the dog park. Yeah, let's do that. Do. Hosted by. Weather. Nice. Description. Host name. This will be fun. Cool. You can create an album. Do. And you can do a playlist. Do. Orange. Let's test this out. And then preview. Okay, so you have to preview it. That way you know what it's going to look like. And then I'm going, I really interact with it. And then what next is what, share? Or just prepare. Okay, cool. And choose a guest list, one-time link to a single guest, approve guests options, and it's a public link. Other filter options, remove background preview, approve guest, additional guests. So people can add a +1 or +2, that's cool. Remove background preview, only show the background image to guests after they've opened the invitation with a verified email address or from a private link. That's nice, so it can stay private unless it's verified. Background image description for accessibility. Oh, nice. Accessibility is nice. Travel map. Ooh, and then you can cancel the event, pause replies, or duplicate the event. Prevent additional guests from responding. Won't affect guests who have already replied. Can undo later. Cool, and I guess that's it. And then posting. You can add it to your calendar. Cool. All right. And that's about it. Simple, easy to use. Tell me what you think in the comments. Stay up to date with notifications. Yeah, sure, why not? Yeah. I mean, it's free to use, but I'm not sure about what costs there are if you're not a iCloud Plus subscriber. I didn't see anything in the release notes, but I'll look into it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Drafts, attending, hosting, past events. This will be fun. Enjoy.